got hired? Buy a bottle. You got paid? Buy a bottle. Your birthday? Buy a bottle. Going on vacation? Buy a bottle. Coming back from vacation? Buy a bottle. Your anniversary? Buy a bottle. Oh, it's your wife's birthday? Buy a bottle. Oh, we're collecting for the flowers. Oh, that's passed away. Never mind, we're collecting for the flowers.
I'm talking about this thing. Someone had it's like going in the trunk, open the trunk, just like a bar. Choose what you want. I say, wow.
Yeah, that
oh yeah.
So there were wild like this, like every afternoon.
Hey, you get a physical therapy.
Service.
No,
it's an award, man. An award project. Yeah, but they were looking for you, Chris.
An award, huh? Or was that Tom Rogers? First thing you came
Tom Rogers?
Oh. Well, he knows we're in school, right?
Okay, this is the class. This is Sam Ashler, and that is a Breda down. And behind that is Bob Pier, and then Chris Fisher, Linda Guzman, and this my Johnny Fernandez, and Bill Walsh, Rich Welsh. Who else? Oh, that's kind of show. How about me, myself? I can see myself here.
Where's our popcorn?
That's my lunch.
That's no excuse. That's not going to get you out of it.
Hey, you want some popcorn? Here. Whatever's left.
Oh, the best part, thanks.
Hey, the least amount of calories.
You can play with it if you want.
Is it in toilet paper?
In this schematic here, you can find everything about door status, door close status, where the signal goes and comes from. We will see it anyway during the mechanic course. But if you want, you can try to follow it by yourself, the schematic. Not now. Okay? I homework. Okay. This is just to give you a good example of a terminal board, a terminal block.
Yeah, he fucked everybody up.
Yeah, he fucked everybody up.
Right out.
Oh, this is a brake line?
Yeah, so you don't see it.
Okay, here we are. Here we are. We're awake. We're aware. We're a happening thing here.
Came back, I said, hey Dave, watch 22's back with friends.
And then what happened with it? That was sketch right myself.
Right. Yeah, 32.
No numbers yet.
First graffiti.
Taping the first graffiti.
Manufactured.
How many people have 90? That will be.
We got 19 here today.
Okay, then 7.5 goes to the car, 7.5 goes to the 15.
I'll be the head. Are you going
No, Daddy, you take 7.5, I take 7.5, we have 15. What can we do? Let's go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go. 7 people to go, 8 people to go with the first group. We have, you are the cameraman, you are from Hollywood. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let's take one here. Three. Split this, you see that? We have a split disc here. 2 pieces. Mounted together with a bolt. And we have 6 sleeves, which is, you cannot see. Third fitting. You know what that is? Come over here. This here.
Sensor.
No, that is a weight.
Oh,
A
balancer,
balancing
yeah.
weight. Yes,
Okay, balancer.
because before the each, okay, you have to do it. If the hub balance is here, this balance should be unbalanced, should be 180 degree on the opposite side. 180 degree. 180 degree on the opposite side. Okay, because then you basically, you said you have 50, the maximum unbalanced graph is 15 grams, half ounce of 15 grams. 15 grams, yeah. We have 6 sleeves. Okay? The sleeve diameter, the bore diameter in the hub and on the disc is 30 millimeter. I don't know in inches, 30 millimeter. The bore. The sleeve is a special spring material. Okay? It's not just a steel. Man who does this job in our shop is not here. But you know it. I mean, when you guys know it, you can transfer your knowledge. Okay, so as said, the balancing, you will see numbers here and also say gram, GR. And you say, try to get the opposite direction, but it is on the maintenance manual. This one.
Yeah, so this one has to be
Turned clockwise.
clockwise.
Okay, to change the speed, because you see you need that distance here. There is a roughly quarter inch.
Which one? Yeah.
Yeah, this is the adjusting, and this is the
Locking.
safety. And you see, the adjusting nut is not self-locking,
Right.
but the counter nut is self-locking. Okay. How much? What is the height? Okay. What is? How you call the whole plate? A valve, which is not on the PC.
Oh, that was
You can adjust.
that was the
SCV valve.
yeah, we don't even have the two threads. Right, something else. is the outlet?
Incoming is like a cross of airbag. This will be this and this will be short by that.
That's for emergency.
No,
The serve tank.
This is the
The serve tank.
additional.
this.
It's additional tank.
Additional?
For the air spring. Because you have a small air spring, when you need certain, you add on. Some people had it in the frame. Okay, this is an additional airbag. See?
No, let's back up. Let's back up. You see, earlier you said there are 3 tanks, air tanks for the brake system.
Hold on. This is for the air suspension.
No, I understand. Earlier we said there are 3 tanks, right?
Yeah.
Those are the main braking tanks. How about for the when we use the emergency switch?
That is.
We use smaller tanks.
Jared? It's tight down there, Jared.
Yes, here. Oh, you see it?
We don't fit down here. This is a substandard fit.
Now this is the 90%. And this valve right here is a B16. Did I say B or B?
This is not an OSHA regulation fit.
No.
How many trains do we got at the shop? And you taking pictures of the train as you here?
See what you have.
Which is going to be me.
That is just good.
Everybody here is old. Look at me.
Hey, watch out.
You have the voice also on?
This is the instructor, Mr. Thibault Liu. Hey, don't be 100% sure, okay? It's 1%, okay? And this guy, he pretends he knows everything. Look at that, look at that. And that guy don't know much. This guy, it's a joke. Just look at him, look at that, look at that. See, don't know shit. Oh, we found 3 more.
Hey, visual!
See, 1, 2. Hey, that guy's moron. See? Yeah, that is moron. Moron. Yeah, that's right. He wants to show he knows everything. Look at that. Look at that.
Okay? You go under the car now.
reservoirs, but it actually sets it on the car body. And that's the one that gives the enunciation, which is 90 psi, you have full brake release. Just cut out, cut in. Brake mode, emergency, exactly. And all these things go to the electronic course. I just want to show you basically what this screen does. You probably already have this. This is my feedback.
Oh yeah, that's the one.
Right? When I sit in a truck, remember on the slide or where we have the classroom, it's showing the center truck and power truck on the low way. This is set at 39, the power truck is set at 66. Yeah. Okay? That may be because they have equipment on board or whatever, but just saying those ways. So we're looking at my loadway. What the car is seeing right now. Right now? Right now. That's what the car is seeing. 39, 65.
Jump up there.
We got our feedback. Our pressure transducer. This feedback, look at right here, is coming from this pressure transducer. Okay. The low weight from my center truck and power truck. It comes from the low weight transducer. That's what I'm looking at. All right. The voltage, like I said, the pressure to voltage relationship. That's what we're looking at. When we talk about from 2 volts at 0 pressure going up, that's what we said here. It's the feedback signal from those pressure transducers.
Oh, yes. Calibrate, replace.
I said, your son gonna wear that?
National Public Radio.
Exactly.
Go home.
Like I said, for some,
You ready there, Brett? Don't get the camera.
It's going.
Taking
I'd like to thank you for the show that it was a pleasure that I had a chance with you to explain the pneumatic brake system, and I hope you learned something because I learned a lot again. And this is Breda car myself, because I saw the first car here 2 years ago. And I hope you understand the basic now from the class, from the brake system. And of course I said you take the book home, put it under the pillow and study. Again, thank you very much for your... thank you, Mr. Lala.
Thank you.
Get you on camera.
I was trying to get it home. I was just cut.
Okay, I said. Good job for that.
But those were breaking.
And these, where is Harry?
Yeah. Oh, okay, those are the cables I asked about. They're holding up the cables.
Stuff on here. Where your gloves?
Is that?
Where your gloves?
Thanks, man.
That's it.
Hey, look at that. Hey, man, I'll get that on film, man.
Yeah. That's good. You were here.
Better than the Boeing car.
No, really, they'll make life easy for them. Down here on the front, the first time.
Hey Sam, did you see this?
I know. Yeah, right.
There is some
Go back and forth.
very small.
You get your basic
Oh, yeah, right.
Pipe wrench.
Okay, I guess it
so it slides up and down. Shit, I can't lift it, it's heavy.
Huh?
Can't lift the wires, are heavy.
Oh, they're heavy, right?
So try to lift this one. Yeah, get
Yeah.
there, good.
All in those cables.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't do that though.
Think about coupling.
Huh? What was that?
What section is this of the car? This
Hey!
Hey.
That's a male.
That's the lateral floor.
The male.
The bee get 2 legs, right? Both legs?
The bee is the one that spreads out the wings.
How do you call this? This here.
How you remove this here now? You just take the front back of
That's the
that
one you were
off?
asking.
After you get the tension off of it?
Yeah.
Back, take these locking nut off.
Yeah.
Take this nut off. And then screw it out after you get the crane on it, right? To support
white thing
the
plastic?
dome.
With the dome.
So it's the same thing, it's true that
You see, you don't have to take
is
this
plastic.
Oh yeah, the
handrail first. You just take
You don't have
everything
to.
off.
Check it out from here.
Pull this one.
We're handicapped, huh?
the thing about this song.
Come on, man. You just pick it up. Put some strength into it. Come on.
Come on. What is the power?
Come on, man. I need to pull it for you.
Up, up.
Out and up. Oh, that got stronger than you.
See that?
Do it lock back? Is it locking? It
Well,
must lock.
graveyard
Yeah.
people can sleep out under here now.
No, you sleep on it. Why sleep on the floor when you can sleep on that?
Too many.
You can roll, you know.
Yeah, well, they throw that, what do you call that?
Edge.
What do you call that?
Blanket?
No.
Pillow?
Styrofoam or something like that.
Platform.
Are you still tipping?
Oh, not in graveyard. Sandbox, eh? These don't have the sliding thing yet.
That's about 40 pounds. It must have something else up to it, right?
No, yeah, of course. No, the whole thing is like 2 fingers. No, it's not. No, it's the whole. It's the whole thing.
What is that? Gasoline?
Yeah, gas. That's gas.
You can't stick that on.
Oh, what do you put in there?
Sand.
Oh, the sand, yeah.
Remember we used to have a
There's the
we used to
water.
have a rubber ball with the thing on it?
Yeah.
The rubber ball with the little string on it?
On the fixed card, is there a label in there?
No.
Does it say water or sand? Shit, they'll accidentally put water.
larger.
Spoiler, huh?
Got to do the job. It's not good. It's not safe. My guys got to do things. Be nice to you.
They're gonna be nice to you. We the ones that's taking these things. Y'all shut.
Oh shit.
And the size of sand in that thing.
We know the safety, of course.
Your fault, man. I'm tired of the second time I come out here and all this bullshit I told them over there.
She's inside here. I got him on tape.
My birthday, I'm ready to go home, man.
Let me put it in camera.
Appears to be a electrical code violation here.
Exactly. Unsafe. I can touch you right now.